My name is Aaron Hayes. I'm the match director of the Magpul Texas 3-Gun Championship. We're at Reveille Peak Ranch in Burnet, Texas, one of the most, in my opinion, gorgeous places on the whole planet. We are again sold out this year, so 260 officially in the match, not including staff. And then we have about 70 people on the wait list this year. So another quick sellout. It's nice to be, to have that problem, to have a sold out match, but I kind of feel bad that everybody who wants to shoot can't shoot. So, but it's a good problem to have. This is what Texas is, especially in springtime. The bluebonnets are popping. So we try to build stages that show off the natural terrain features of the ranch and give shooters a chance to do things that you don't normally get to do at a match. Most matches are in bays. So here's a square bay, shoot stuff. We try to make it a little more interesting, and sometimes that comes along with its own challenges. Last year we had the monsoon, so this year we have borderline tornadic activities playing heck with the long range. But yeah, it's very challenging, and every year it feels different just because of the different areas on the ranch we use, and then of course the weather conditions. On the Texas, they say if you don't like the weather, wait an hour. So that's definitely proven true. The social aspect of this match is kind of one of the things we really enjoy. We've got the lunch area set up where the way our match works is you'll shoot four stages in the morning and then have a break basically at lunchtime. And then the afternoon groups kick off at 1:30. So for about an hour there, everybody on the whole range kind of converges on the lunch area and gets to hang out, tell war stories. And the wind really got me today, which is what everyone's saying because the wind is brutal. Every event kind of has a little bit different feel, a little bit different skill level. We try to build a match that's beginner friendly. So somebody who just learned about 3-gun and has their gear set up can come out here. I mean, they're not going to win the match, but they can make it through and hopefully not time out on every single stage. Not every match is like that. If you are thinking of doing a big match, for your first event and not really sure, I would definitely try to find a local event. Most ranges have local events that are one day, much more low key, very beginner friendly. Not that we're not beginner friendly, but this is a championship level match, so it may not be the best time to find out, if you can hit that 600-yard rifle target or not. But it just depends on if you're the kind of person that just likes to take a big bite and roll that, we'd be happy to have you. And all of our ROs are very helpful, and we answer questions. Even people who've been shooting for 20, 30 years still ask questions. There's a whole lot of people that are looking to get into this for the first time. I think we have more first-timers this year than we have since we've moved to Reveille Peak, which I think is great. So yeah, we try to really accommodate them and answer questions. My phone is just full of texts from people asking questions about targets and rules and everything, and I'm more than happy to help them out. So yeah, we welcome beginners here of all skill levels.